Hey guys, it's Joseph here with a new video for you. This 4K dashcam has been out for a while now, since December, so we're a little late to the game. However, VIOFO did have some performance issues with the VIOFO A139 Pro when it first launched, as mentioned by various influencers online, and that's why we haven't covered it since now. That said, VIOFO has made various improvements via firmware and hardware updates since then to curb those deficiencies, and upon testing the device itself, we're happy to say that the VIOFO A139 Pro is now ready for prime time. Now in the coming weeks, we're also going to have an in-depth review coming out for you, so watch out to learn more about the new and exciting features on the VIOFO A139 Pro. Now let's start off with some daytime footage. The VIOFO A139 Pro is the brand's first 4K UHD dashcam that can cover up to 3 channels, ensuring that your car is protected from the front, interior, and the rear. What's more to love? It's also the world's first dashcam that has the all-new Sony STARVIS II image technology, so this is definitely an exciting advancement in dashcam technology. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button to show your support and to stay up to date on the latest updates on VIOFO. The VIOFO A139 Pro's front-facing camera delivers 8-megapixel Sony STARVIS II IMX678 4K UHD resolution that covers up to 140 degrees. Now, as you can see, the dashcam provides clear and crisp images of the roads ahead, especially in daylight conditions. It's also very flexible. The front camera of the A139 Pro can also be rotated vertically up to 300 degrees for greater coverage, adapting better in different car models for optimal positioning. So if you like to record yourself while you're driving or want to include you and your passengers' clips for your travel vlogs, you can easily switch the A139 Pro's front lens to the cabin with this. There is also an interior camera, which we'll show you later in this video as well. Now let's move on to the rear camera. To clearly capture the traffic behind you, the rear camera of the A139 Pro boasts the Full HD at 30 frames per second resolution with a 2-megapixel Sony STARVIS IMX291 sensor, providing a field of view of up to 170 degrees, one of the widest in its class. One thing that we'll mention is that there is a socket in the front camera for an external microphone. So for those streamers out there, this dashcam can definitely serve that purpose for some good audio. check out the interior footage. The A139 Pro is also equipped with an in-cabin camera that sports 2-megapixel Sony STARVIS IMX678, also at a 170-degree angle. Here's Grayson from our marketing team. You might recognize him from some of our new TikTok videos. Best for ride-sharing vehicles, the A139 Pro's interior camera is also equipped with infrared lights that gives you a glimpse of what's happening inside, even in pitch black settings. We'll show you nighttime in a sec. Overall, for the VIOFO A139 Pro's cameras, what we notice is that when the A139 Pro operates in 1 and 2 channel configurations, the front camera can record at 4K at 30 frames per second. However, when you're using it in a 3-channel configuration, the front image quality will record at 2160p at 24 frames per second, as opposed to 30 frames per second. One thing though, do note that there is an option for 4K at 1600p for 30 frames per second with the 3-channel configuration. Now let's move on to the nighttime footage, which is definitely a star feature of what the new STARVIS 2 chip is bringing. Thanks to Super Night Vision 2.0, multiple exposure HDR and WDR, the VIOFO A139 Pro delivers superb video quality from both the front, rear, and interior cameras. From a technical standpoint, here's what VIOFO's site says. The image sensor type of 1/1.8 inches with larger pixels bring in more light under the same illumination level, and the 4K HDR tech automatically balances over dark and over bright areas to help accurately restore 4K details recorded at night, so best for reading those license plates. For its recording modes, the VIOFO A139 Pro is equipped with advanced parking modes that includes auto event detection with buffered recording, low bitrate recording, and just like this one, time-lapse. Aside from saving storage space, time-lapse is also best in capturing how the day goes by while you drive, or how the sun sets, best for dramatic spots for your travel vlogs. Although you don't really have to worry about storage space, as the VIOFO A139 Pro can support up to 512 gigs. Now let's move on to the rear and interior footage at the same time. Look how bright it is with the interior camera even at night. This is perfect for those of you rideshare drivers out there who want to keep an eye on your passengers or just the inside of your car while you're away. From a technical standpoint, it's built with a f1.6 aperture and 7-element glass lens. The interior camera features 6 infrared LED lights, allowing the camera to record in details even in pure darkness. Truly, the VIOFO A139 Pro 3-channel system is VIOFO's flagship dashcam to date, combining the best-selling A129 Pro's 4K and the A139's 3-channel capabilities. And better yet, the A139 Pro comes with a super slim coaxial cable to allow for better electromagnetic interference reduction and a more user-friendly hidden installation. Now to sum it all up, it also comes with dual-band Wi-Fi for faster streaming, downloading, and sharing of footage. For every package, you also get a free CPL filter to make sure that your videos are glare and reflection free. And that's it for the VIOFO A139. We're going to have way more information for you in our upcoming in-depth review, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And if you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout and get 5% off your next dashcam. Check you guys later.